What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, slap that subscribe button. Now let's have a little look at what's going on. SPX6900 taking another huge hit really on the day from 50 cents down to 39 cents. Now that's not a gentle pullback. That is pretty vigorous. That is a big drop here, guys. And I really don't want to see these coins go lower. But the reality is that, you know, from their very, very all-time highs, a lot of these tokens that we have seen pump do typically correct between 95 and 98% by the time we get back to a true bear market environment. And, you know, it will eventually bleed out to these levels. I don't know if we'll go back up first, but eventually it can unfortunately go back down. It might get another bounce and then come back down later on. But who knows, honestly, what's going to happen. Right now, we know that, you know, the market is bearish ever since Trump has had his hands on crypto and becoming president. The market has just sucked, right? It's just been crap. And looking at the S&P 500, we can see this is also down. It's not just crypto, it's everything right now. If we look at the year to date, S&P is also looking a bit bullied, you know, down from 6,100 to 5,700. Quite a big drop still for the S&P, which is of course far less volatile, but nevertheless, you know, we are down a little bit. Now, just want to talk about SPX. For some reason, the account is suspended here on Twitter, which I find absolutely crazy as well. It might just be that they launched another Twitter, so we can quickly find out from their official website. But if it is suspended, then in my opinion, that is a little bit bearish, right? So thousands are waking up to the reality of 6,900 is more than 500. Now, this was a brilliant token. I just don't know if it's still feeling like as genuine as it did because of what we're seeing. The Twitter is banned. We can't look at posts on Twitter, which is kind of not what you want when you're trying to follow a coin and stay up to date. Yeah, but overall, you know, news-wise, the coin doesn't look great. And I think, you know, just looking at this incredible drop, so we have now dropped 78% for this coin. This is where we've fallen through a very key area of support, firstly, which was right here at 0.42. We're now trading at 0.39, so we've just fallen through another layer of support. We could potentially come lower for SPX6900. If we look here, this is an ideal region where we could potentially bounce at 34 cents. But right now, it is a free fall, and until the overall markets turn around and feel better, in general, we're not really seeing much bullish events go on. We can see this does look like a macro falling wedge. Typically, these do eventually bottom out, and then we do get a pump to the upside. And if we were to guess anywhere where this could possibly go, I mean, be my guest, right? Nobody knows, but at least to the 0.6 something Fibonacci. So if we could see like a 56% bounce out of here, it would be absolute perfection. Do want to say as well, guys, massive wins out here in my crypto Discord, which is just down below. So wherever the market is up, down, or sideways, you can check out my Discord down below, free to join. People are making big trading wins no matter what. So you can still make some money in this market, even when the market is a bit boring. Like, see, this guy made some incredible gains, and that could also be you. So feel free to have a little look down below. Check out my Discord, and if you do want to get a bunch of other sort of, you know, VIP content, you can check out my Patreon down below. Support. There's hundreds of members already if you really want to maximize your crypto journey and potentially get in, you know, to the sort of territory of time, location, and financial freedom. Will also say that, you know, this market is extremely risky right now, so don't go aping into anything really. It's all down. $2.72 trillion market cap. The fear and greed, we're in extreme fear. And Bitcoin, yes, over the last 2 years, it's still looking very strong. But in terms of the last quarter, it's looking pretty weak, as well as the entirety of the market. And we're pulling back now to levels below where we were in November 2021, which isn't great. We've also pulled back to levels where we were at the start of 2024, which, you know, isn't great either. So we've written off a lot of progress in this market, and it all comes down to, you know, politics and just, yeah, greed, overbought market. I think it's a good lesson, you know, selling in these markets is always a good thing. When things feel too crazy and euphoric and are exciting, you know, when things become exciting, there's a lot of indicators. It could be as an indicator as brief as I don't know, traffic on YouTube, views, people Googling on Google Trends. There's so many signals and alarms that really do highlight that we're getting close to the top, but we never listen to them. We just keep on following the excitement and the euphoria, which is so compelling and very difficult to abstain. So it's very important to take profits in the markets. Of course, not financial advice. Also, guys, if you're trading, you want to save money, make more money as well because you're saving money. Use CaseX down below, my new favorite exchange for trading, holding crypto. The reason is you have the lowest fees in the entire market. Nothing beats CaseX in terms of its fees, which will save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over your lifetime within the blockchain environment. So have a little look at CaseX down below. You might get some major sign-up bonuses using my link too. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, get yourself in my Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. We've now got 40,600 members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you there. Ask any questions and have a lovely day. Peace.